Through the window, I see you waiting. You are smiling, 'cause I'm coming. Your eyes are a story, an ocean of memories, pictures of faces and places, and all of the things that make us feel like we have it all. All of the times that make us realize we have it all.
These bands, these cords, this fabric represents the marital bond. It is strong and will hold together during times of struggle. Yet it is flexible to allow you for individual and personal growth. Woven into the cord is all the hopes and dreams of your family and friends and of yourself for your new life together. With the fashioning of the knots are all your dreams, desires, and your love and happiness wished here to you at this place, to you for as long as you both shall last. So, family and friends, it gives me the greatest joy, beyond the greatest joy, to be able to introduce Evan and Irena as husband and wife. Let's get up and cheer!
I've known Evan since the time he was a teenager, and now he stands before us a married man. And during that time, I've been welcomed into both of their parents' homes. I've stayed as a guest. I've eaten at their dinner tables. I've known their trials, their triumphs, their highs, their lows. We're here today because of love, not just the love that Evan and Reef share for each other, but the love we have for them and others in this room.
I've seen a lot being the third wheel to your relationship. I can confidently say that life has nothing to throw at you that you can't handle together. I love you both, and I'm so happy to be here with you today as you start this new chapter.